Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Well, I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with you. Again, unfortunately, it's a small one, but I do make sure to take plenty of pictures of other things that I've seen that I just didn't bring home with me. So hopefully you look at those pictures and maybe there's something that's popped up at my Dollar Tree that could be arriving at yours very soon if it's not already there. So here in front of me, I just ended up getting a few things, but I loved them all again. The first thing I'm going to show you, and since there's not so many items, I'm just going to go through them here instead of splitting everything up. So I did find some other signs that I thought were super adorable. The first one here, you can see it's in the shape of a house and it says home for the holidays. And the O is a little wreath that is super cute. So I thought that was really nice. Again, just plain on the back. The second house that I found, which is really adorable, says all hearts come home for Christmas. And then it has the tree at the top with a little wreath around it. And that one is in the lighter faux shiplap. And then the third sign that I picked up and brought home was this one here, which is in the gold and cream. And I think I'm gonna be using gold in my dining room this year just to decorate it. For those of you that don't know, I decorate for the season. So I usually keep it to a winter theme. So this one here I think will look really nice. And it says Merry and Bright. And then it has the gold ornaments, and then it's just a faux burlap in the back. It's like a print of it. And then this faux wood frame, which is really cute. And I thought they would go, or this would go really nice when I set it in my dining room with these pennants that I found. Well, I don't know if they're called pennants, but scrolls, I guess. I love these, and I think these are going to look super nice in the dining room. It says all is calm, all is bright, and it has the green, the greenery that's in the shape of a wreath, and then the gold lettering. And the glitter is not super crazy, so that's really nice. And I'm just going to show you how I'm going to be displaying these in my dining room. So just to show you quickly, this is how I will be hanging these scrolls up. I'm going to be placing them on the back of my chairs in my dining room. So it adds a little bit of gold and green and then the cream. So probably the table, I'll set that up with some gold as well. Usually I place my Dollar Tree trees in the Dollar Tree glass burlap vases that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So hopefully I will get around to filming that to show you how it looks when I put it all together. I don't do a lot, but I like to add a little something different during the winter season. So I thought these were really pretty, and I had enough to put on one on each of my chairs in my dining room. I ended up picking up some of these stack them up containers. I saw them a couple times and they must have been really hot sellers, because then every time I kept going back I was looking for them and I couldn't find them. So I kind of was organizing my reborn nursery painting area. So these are great for that because they're inexpensive and you can really organize a lot of items with these containers, and they're great because they stack up on top of each other. So it's great if you don't have a lot of space. I then came across these baskets, and I thought they were a nice size. These would be great if you have the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and you add a few of them together, and then I can't get this out because I'm only using one hand, but I thought these would be really, really nice if you want to put a couple of those trees together to make them more full, and then use this as a base. I think that it would make the trees look a lot nicer. So yeah, I was happy to find these to spruce up some trees. And then I picked up these ornaments. I found a lot of new ornaments that I hadn't seen last time, but I only ended up picking these ones up because they go along with the stag decor that I have in my family room. So these, you get 2 in a pack. I thought they were really cute. They are wrapped in like a burlap, and then they have the red stag. They had trees as well, and I can't remember if there was another one, but I did take pictures, so you will see them if you look at the pictures. But I thought these were really, really pretty. And that was it for the Dollar Tree. But if you saw these as I was talking, these are the Scrabble letter tiles, and I didn't check my Scrabble pieces to see if they're the exact same size, but they look like it. They are wood, and they have the letters with the little numbers in the corner. And the reason I'm showing this, I picked these up at my local Dollar Haven in my town, and from time to time they get craft medley products, and so I know that Dollar Tree sells craft medley. So I'm curious to know if any of you have seen these actual wooden Scrabble letter tiles at your Dollar Tree. Yeah, there you can see it says natural wood, 26 pieces. And there's a little example of a personalized gift that you can make if you have a frame and then you want to add something to it. I was so excited to come across these. I've actually been trying to go to the thrift stores to see if I could find Scrabble games, because I figured you'd get the tiles for a really cheap price, but I think everybody loves these Scrabble tiles and they're all looking for them as well. I've never been able to find them at any Goodwill or thrift store. So I was so happy when I seen them here at my local Dollar Tree. So yeah, let me know in the comments, have you actually seen these exact tiles at your Dollar Tree? And if you haven't, maybe this is an item that they will be bringing in very soon. That would be awesome, because you can make so many personalized gifts with these little Scrabble tiles. So I thought I would share that. Let me know again in the comment section below if you've seen them at your Dollar Tree. I hope that they bring them to mine. But for the time being, I'm fortunate enough to pick them up at my local Dollar Haven when I need them, for as long as they carry them, that is. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. It was small, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the pictures, seeing all the different things that are at my Dollar Tree. And if you did see some things that you are looking forward to finding at your Dollar Tree, if they haven't arrived there yet, hopefully they arrive very soon. Please like the video if you did like it. It'll greatly help my channel to grow. If you haven't subscribed, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.